creation of subcontractor payment certificate in Tally. So first we have to create a, project for the subcontractor. So we'll go to create cost centers and we'll create it first. Let me know that video. Okay, so we have to go to create cost centers. Okay, first create a project for the cost center for the subcontractor. So I have mentioned some contract numbers. Under which project we are doing this contract, we can mention the contracts contractor number. Suppose it is 1066 means 1066, and is this subcontractor project? Yes, a fixed or variable, and project name. I'm typing something, and description of work and name of the client, name of the contractors, customer's ID, address are pulled it automatically from here. The same process of how we are doing for a normal project, we can enter it here, and the location, purchase order number, status, open, and EAD, salesperson name. If you don't want, you can skip it. These informations, end of list. What is the starting date? In any date, you can mention it as per your requirement. 25 to 31 to 26. Fine. Original contract at amount, how much it is? So 15,000. I put 115,000. If there is any variation, you can put the variation. If there is no variations, you can remove it. So I put one variation. Advance 10%, retention 10%, DLP 10%. So I'm just fixing it. If you don't require, you can just skip it and save the subcontractor. For making entries, if you want to create a services, what are the services you're doing it, how you're doing for a sales invoice, you can proceed with the projects. So you can do like that also, or you on the time of entry, you can skip that also. It depends on you. So if you go to project vouchers, job order confirmation, I'll put for SC. This is one project. So I'm putting project number, the person's name 1066, SC 2203. It is automatically pulled out. So I'm just doing a refresh. SC 2203. SC 2203. Contract income. Contract details. Then I'll put if the same like how we are doing for the invoice. If you want to put a service, and you can add it like this, how much you are working. I'll put advance 30%, water testing 70%, like this. Or full also, depends on your requirement, you can add it. 100%. So just making some entries like 50. Okay, and I'm doing this. If these informations are not required, you can just skip it out. I'm putting into and I am saving it. Then once the subcontract service is required, you can go to subcontract invoice vouchers F9 subcontract. So F9 progressive subcontractors. So go to vouchers F9 progressive subcontractor, and I'll put like SC 2203. Once I select this, water testing, and what type of invoice. So if you're looking an advance invoice, you can put it advance invoice. If it is an advance, if it is a progressive invoice, you can put progress. So I'm just doing again. I'm going to vouchers SC 2203 progress, and it automatically list out the services whatever we are doing, whatever we are getting from that supplier, and what is the current we are doing it. For the subcontract entry, whatever you made, make sure the entry has been approved. So this entry I already made, make sure it is regular and approved. Once you say approved, next time when you pull for the same subcontractors, so I'll try the project details in this one. See, automatically it will show the previous over here. So now I'll put it 75. Now, see, previously certified advance payments sub 150, these and all, it is taken from the old previous entry which is approved. Okay, then the current amount, it will, once you select enter, and you select this, here it comes the current one. So when you go for a print, the previous current will be automatically updated from here. Okay, if any doubts, you make some entry and check it out.